Behold, a watermelon. And there is a reason this watermelon is here. You see, during one of South Main Auto's live streams, Erico mentioned putting salt in a watermelon. And I said, that's pretty odd. And he said, well, you try it. Better still, make a video of you trying it. So let's slice open this watermelon like a politician's skull. And we shall first sample it. I should have got a wee spoon for sampling this. Let's get this out here. I shall go and grab a spoon. That was a terrible judgment. Or indeed, just a complete lack of planning. Anyway, let's take a reference scoop of watermelon before I saltify it. Super juicy and sweet. Now let's sprinkle salt on. I mean, how much are you supposed to put on? Is this a common thing? Let me know in the comments down below. If you normally salt your watermelon, it seems quite an odd thing to do. But then having said that, the Scots put sugar or salt in their porridge. So this is my first taste of salty watermelon. Well, that's odd. That is reminiscent of when you go for the two-course popcorn at the cinema, and some of it's salty and some of it's sweet. I'm going to have another bite. That actually works. So South Main Auto is right. Adding salt to your watermelon actually makes a difference. On the subject of South Main Auto, Erico, it's a mechanical channel. It's repairing vehicles, but it's a real garage with a real mechanic doing real repairs. There's a reason he's just about to hit 1 million subscribers. It's a very good channel. There is a link in the description down below, but definitely let me know in the comments if this is something that you have tried. It's quite interesting.